Okay, ladies, so we're gonna try out a new foundation today. You guys know I like doing foundation reviews. I just think when it comes to foundation, that's like your base. So if foundation don't look good, nothing don't look good. That's in my opinion. So I did my brows. I'll leave those products down below. Guys, I finally finished and figured out how I'm gonna put everything that I use in my videos in the description. Palettes, and if I use anything different in this video, I'll just have it up top, but I'm gonna leave everything that I use, most used palettes, everything is gonna be down below, because I'm not being good about leaving stuff, because you guys send me messages saying, Kelly, what you got on? What is that? What is that? You didn't post it. And I put product, but I don't list the product. So I'm gonna get together. But today we are going to be using the Born to Glow. This is right here. This is NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. You know I'm with the Radiant now, so this is what we'll be using. I didn't open this one yet, so I didn't open this one neither. I did do an IGTV. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead. I have my handle down here, whatever you call it, right here, so you can check me out on Instagram, because I do like IGTVs now, because I want to kind of do short videos. I like long ones too. I've been doing pretty good with my stories on here on YouTube and stuff like that, but I definitely want to do more of Instagram TV, because those videos are short. 1, 2, 3, get to the point, do what you gotta do. YouTube, you gotta talk, you gotta draw it out a little bit, go from there. So I do have on my primer, I have my brows on. We're gonna get right into it. Let's see what it claims here. Not much going on. It's just saying that it's naturally radiant foundation. I should have looked on the website to kind of get the deets, but I didn't. The shade that I have is in Cappuccino. I got mine from Ulta, and this is, I think, Golden Honey. I have the receipt. Hold on. It's called, yeah, Golden Honey. So that's what I have for my concealer. So I did when I was in Ulta, I used a tester. I put a little bit right here. Everything seemed good, so I went with it. I have a dirty brush, guys. I need to wash my brushes bad. I'm gonna use this little brush right here to just put it on, and then I'm gonna get a big brush. Oh, me and foundation. Okay, that's too much. That is too much. Oh, Kelly, too much. I do like that it's more of a yellow neutral. I do like that. You see? It's not orangey. So I do like that. I just spilled a whole bunch. So let me go ahead and try to buff it in. I should use a bigger brush, because I'll be here all day with this little one. But I did put too much. But it's okay. We're gonna blend it in. Okay, so I blended it in. I kept using this little brush here, which is about to break because I could just hear it just wobbling, but I just kept using this brush, just buffing it in. Let me tell you something, I like this. This is super affordable. How much did I pay for this? This was, it was $10, but I paid $9.03 because I had a $3.50 coupon, the Ulta coupon. So it was 10 bucks. 10 bucks. This is that good work foundation right here. Very light, radiant. I feel it's breathable. I am getting that radiant look. I am getting that dewy feel. I feel I can definitely kind of calm that down with some powder. It doesn't seem like it's super duper greasy. I did have some lotion on my face, some face cream. I have to get my hairline. You guys know. I need a haircut. I'm gonna do a video on my hair, so you guys can see like what I go through. I don't mind, but whew, I'm not gonna put any more on. I do like that I can definitely see my imperfections. I can still see my skin, and it just seems nice and very light. I can still see what's going on over my brows right here. I really didn't put much up there, but I don't wanna, I'm trying to figure out. It doesn't say that it's medium to full coverage. You know what? I should probably look on the website and see what the deets are there, because again, the packaging really wasn't much. You just get this little tube, and that's pretty much it. What I'll do is I'll have something down below in regards to what this foundation states. So I do like this. It feels nice and light. I don't feel like it's weighed down. I definitely see the radiance. It looks nice and fresh, and that's what we want these days, nice and fresh, you know. And even for like the winter months, you know, I think even though I may like a certain look, I really do think in the winter you should definitely wear a more radiant foundation, because your skin can get dry. Even if you are oily, sometimes, you know, your skin can definitely just get dry because the cold air just sucking you in, versus when it's warm outside, you know, your pores is open and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this concealer here. The concealer is a radiant concealer as well. Doesn't say much, just have different languages. Again, I should have did some better research, but you know, we'll get past it. I'll put something down below. So it has like a little doe foot here. This reminds me of the Maybelline Ageless. I don't even see it up here. Aha. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind with that type of doe foot. Mine is a mess, but I do like that as well. But I want to give you a kind of an example of what this looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze. Ooh, it comes out instantly. Okay. Ooh, this is light. And when I tested it out, you know, this, even though Ulta is bright, it could be a little dim in there. Especially where you get the drugstore makeup. You go on the other side, you know, you can see everything. Okay. Alright. Let's begin to blend. I'm going to use some Fix Plus. Okay. So I'm blending it out. I want you guys to see. This concealer is super nice. I definitely like how bright it is. I don't think I've ever been this bright before. It's nice. It feels nice and light. I'm definitely gonna set it. It's a lot of work because it's a lighter foundation for my taste, but it's definitely nice. I don't think I would go any lighter or any darker. I think I would stay right here. So I'm gonna stay right here. So this is nice. This is nice. I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and set. I'm gonna use my Old Faithful, my Black Radiance. Put it under the eye. It looks nice, doesn't it? Let me know down below. Let me know. Let me know. And if you have this, let me know. If you was thinking about getting it, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and just set my eyelids because I did put some of the concealer up there. Get around my nose. This is nice, y'all. It was definitely some work to blend it in for me, because again, my skin tone is much darker, but this is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlight since I have this palette open. I'm not gonna search for something else. I like. I'm gonna go ahead and just set my face. I'm excited to wear this foundation because, you know, even though you may have a ton of foundation, you always want that one foundation that you can just wear every day. Meanwhile, you put a new foundation on every day. I know I do. I can. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna use my Pixie. So while that's drying on my face, I'm gonna just put on some eyeshadow. Nothing too much. I'm going to use my Too Faced palette. I should be using something new, but I don't have anything new in front of me right now. I don't know where my new palette is. I'm just gonna put on any brown shade. Nothing too much because I just wanna pretty much just test out the foundation. Since I am gonna go out, I'm just gonna wear it out and just see how it feels, and then, you know, I'll come back and let you guys know. But I definitely want to try it on and see how it feels. So far it feels really good. It feels nice and fresh. I don't feel like right now I don't feel kind of greasy. I do have on moisturizer. I do have on a primer. And then I also sprayed this Pixie stuff, and this Pixie stuff has oil in it. But yeah, so I just used 2 shades. I didn't use, what did I use? I used milk chocolate and salted caramel. I mixed them together and put them in the lid. We're just gonna use 1 shade today, and that's it. I'm not gonna, oh, well, you know what? I'm gonna use white chocolate and just kind of hit my brows right there. That's it, guys. That's it. We're doing foundation today. Just doing foundation. So I'm gonna put my makeup on. I'll be right back. Okay, ladies. So here is the final all put together look for this foundation. Okay. So I felt kind of bad. I got my phone and I went to the NYX website and I just got some spill on the foundation. Not much. It just says here that the Born to Glow Natural Radiant Foundation, this smooth liquid foundation, is so glorious. We can't even like that. It's a Bibble medium coverage glow foundation. They have 45 flattering shades, and it's a natural skin glow, and it blends seamlessly, which it does. I would definitely say that. This looks really nice. After it's set, look at it. It looks really, really good. For 10 bucks, I say go get it. I'm gonna see what else they have up here. That's the ingredients, how to use it, and then some Q&A. The reviews are amazing. No one has anything bad to say. They've been comparing it to the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy. I got that one years ago, but I was more of a fan of the matte and poreless because, you know, I want to be y'all. But your girl gotta ease on into this radiant area. But yeah, the reviews are really good. So what I have to say about it, so far so good. It feels nice, it feels light, it doesn't feel heavy, it blended very well with me. I am doing well with the foundations, guys. I'm picking up the right shade. I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. I don't like to take stuff back. I don't mind, but I don't like to take something back. So I'm happy I got this one because my drugstore stash is getting kind of low because once I finish using up my other matte foundations, I'm going to use them. I want to definitely get some new, more radiant, more dewy skin foundation. So here's the first one on the block. So now we're good to go, and let's get into this concealer. I like it. I mean, I'm looking in here in my viewfinder over here. I'm looking in the mirror. I feel like it's really, really nice. I feel like it complements. These two complement each other. It's not too bright and it's not too like neutral. When I first put it on, of course, it was definitely a little bit on the lighter side for me, but I sheared it out a little bit so it was able to blend in more with my complexion and suit me a little bit better. So far so good. I'm gonna have these two linked down below. You can check them out, see if your Ulta has them, and then you can see the price points. I can just tell you what the price points are. So the foundation again was 10 bucks and the concealer was $9. But I got them. So that is that. So let me know if you have the foundation, if you like it. And, you know, if you do have it, how do you like it? Do you wear it as an everyday, or is it more of a going out foundation for you? Just let me know your thoughts and opinions, and let me know what you think about how it looks on me. I think it looks pretty good. The foundations are looking good lately, y'all. So that's it. Hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.